Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Gingerbread Dive Bar Kit is probably one of the most unique and festive holiday creations you can get your hands on this season, offering a delightful blend of seasonal flavors and a fun, interactive building experience that's perfect for getting into the holiday spirit, whether you're a seasoned baker or just looking for a whimsical way to celebrate. Number 5. DSS Games Drunk, Stoned, or Stupid Party Game. Get ready for the game that started it all. This is the hilarious party game where you and your friends call each other out. Simply draw a card, read the prompt aloud, and decide who in the group fits the description best. The player with the most cards at the end faces the ultimate roast. Inside this box, you'll find 250 who's most likely to cards. They feature wild, relatable, and outrageous situations guaranteed to spark laughter. Looking for a great gift? This game makes the perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to bring friends together. It's ideal for game nights, house parties, college gatherings, or just a casual night in with friends. Easy to learn and impossible to put down. Designed for ages 17 and up with 3 or more players. It's a guaranteed hit for adult gatherings. What we like? This game is all about calling out your friends in the most hilarious ways. If you love roasting your buddies and enjoy relatable, outrageous situations, this is the game for you. It's perfect for game nights, parties, or any gathering where you want to inject some serious laughter and friendly competition. What people say. The game is played clockwise with a judge reading the card, and handing it off to the player to their left, who then accuses another individual at the table. The individual accused can defend themselves and in turn reverse the card they're accused of on their accuser. There are also 2 game modes, one for individuals who know each other very well and can accuse each other of cards like is like, really cold all the time, and the option for people who don't know each other very well. This game can be shockingly enlightening when a group of friends unanimously pick you for something you were completely unaware was a part of your personality. Number 4. Hunt a Killer, Death at the Dive Bar. Welcome to Old Scratch Tavern, where the owner Nick Webster has met a tragic end. It was ruled an accident, but we suspect foul play and need your help to uncover the truth. Examine forensic files, eliminate suspects, and piece together the clues. Can you solve this thrilling murder mystery and catch the killer? Elevate your game night with this immersive murder mystery. It's designed for ages 14 plus and rated at a difficulty of 1-5, making it perfect for beginners. Get ready for an intense investigation that delivers 45 to 60 minutes of gameplay. You can solve the case in a single sitting, keeping everyone on the edge of their seats. If you love true crime and solving mysteries, this game is for you. It's a great gift for anyone who enjoys a good puzzle and a gripping story. Love solving cold cases? Continue your detective journey with more fatal crime stories from Hunt a Killer. Our narrative-driven mystery boxes make any party epic. What we like? Dive into a thrilling murder mystery where you play detective to solve a crime at a dive bar. If you're a fan of true crime, puzzles, and immersive storytelling, this game is a must-have. It's ideal for those who enjoy a good challenge and want to test their deductive reasoning skills in a captivating narrative. What people say. The Gingerbread Dive Bar Kit is a fun and festive way to decorate for the holidays. It includes everything you need to build your own gingerbread dive bar, including pre-baked gingerbread pieces, icing, and candy decorations. The instructions are easy to follow, and the finished product is a charming addition to any holiday display. Number 3. Miller High Life I'll Take a High Life Premium T-Shirt. Introducing the Miller High Life Premium T-Shirt. Experience the perfect blend of classic style and ultimate comfort with this must-have apparel. Showcase your appreciation for a true icon. This shirt lets you wear your love for Miller High Life with pride and effortless cool. Crafted with premium materials, it offers exceptional durability and a soft feel. You'll want to wear it again and again. Whether you're out with friends or relaxing at home, it's the ideal choice. Elevate your casual wardrobe with this versatile piece. It's more than just a t-shirt, it's a statement. Grab yours today and embrace the spirit of Miller High Life. What we like? Show off your love for a classic with this premium t-shirt. If you appreciate iconic branding and comfortable, casual wear, this is a great addition to your wardrobe. It's perfect for everyday outings or relaxed social gatherings where you want to represent a beloved beer. What people say. The shirt is excellent in that it fit perfectly as advertised, one size larger for men, exact size for women. It also had logos on both sides of the shirt, which is rare but I feel should always be. Fits as expected. Good material. I love the fact that the girl in the moon is wearing a mask. Number 2. Miller Lite 8-can Mini Fridge. Introducing the Miller Lite 8-can Mini Fridge, your perfect companion for keeping drinks and snacks cool. Its unique design makes it a stylish addition to any space. This personal mini fridge boasts an eye-catching, can-shaped design featuring the official Miller Lite logo. It also includes a low-profile, self-locking door and a convenient pull-tab carry handle. Enjoy eco-friendly cooling with its CFC-free thermoelectric module. It efficiently keeps your items cool, up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature, without harming the environment. With a 5.4 L capacity and a removable shelf, it's perfect for beer lovers. It holds up to 8 standard 12-ounce beer cans or 4 bottles, fitting easily on any desk or shelf. This cooler is lightweight and portable, capable of running on both 12V DC and 110V AC power. Take it anywhere, from your den or backyard to your dorm, cottage, or even on the go in your vehicle. Safely store a variety of items, including beverages, yogurt, fruit, juice, cheese, or medication. It's ideal for use at home, work, or while traveling. What we like? Keep your beverages perfectly chilled with this eye-catching, can-shaped mini fridge. If you're looking for a stylish and convenient way to store drinks at your desk, dorm, or cabin, this is the ideal choice. Its portability and efficient cooling make it perfect for any space where cold drinks are a must. What people say. The Gingerbread Dive Bar Kit is a fun and festive way to decorate for the holidays. It includes everything you need to build your own gingerbread dive bar, including gingerbread pieces, icing, and candy decorations. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it a great activity for families. Number 1. Miller High Life Embroidered Beanie. Introducing the Miller High Life Embroidered Beanie. This cozy knit hat is perfect for keeping you warm in style. Show your love for the champagne of beers with this iconic accessory. It's a fun way to represent your favorite brew. Crafted from soft acrylic, this beanie offers ultimate comfort. The knitted texture provides warmth and a classic look. Stand out with this cheerful yellow beanie. Its bright color adds a pop of personality to any outfit. Designed for a comfortable fit, this one-size-fits-most beanie is easy to wear. It's the perfect addition to your winter collection. Whether you're out and about or just relaxing, this hat is a great choice. It combines practicality with a touch of celebratory flair. What we like? Stay warm and stylish this winter with this cozy knitted beanie. If you love the iconic Miller High Life branding and need a functional accessory for cold weather, this is for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to add a touch of retro flair to their winter attire while staying comfortable. What people say. The Gingerbread Dive Bar Kit is a fun and festive way to decorate for the holidays. It includes everything you need to build your own gingerbread bar, including gingerbread pieces, icing, and candy decorations. The instructions are easy to follow, and the finished product is sure to impress your guests. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.